How to create a WhatsApp account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how can you create a WhatsApp account. Let's get started. If you haven't installed the WhatsApp mobile app yet, you can download it for free from the App Store or Play Store on your smartphone. To sign up for a WhatsApp account, open the app and tap Agree and Continue. Choose your country from the drop-down menu, then type in your mobile number. Tap Next to confirm your mobile number. You'll be then sent a code through SMS, text to verify your phone number. Enter the code you have received. Tap Allow to let WhatsApp access your contact list from your device. This will allow you to easily connect with your contacts who are already using WhatsApp. Then tap Allow to let WhatsApp access your media on your device as well. Set up your WhatsApp profile with your name and a profile photo. Tap Next when you're finished. After that, you're all set up. If any of your contacts you have saved to your device are already using WhatsApp, you'll automatically see them in your WhatsApp contact list so that you can start messaging them. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.